Um, hey everybody. Um, Hopefully my microphone sounds good. This is going to be the first video that I'm testing it, technically. I mean, I filmed a few other episodes so far, but this episode that I'm uploading right now, I made a few weeks ago and just never got around to uploading it. But good news is I do have my new headphones and I have started recording more videos and they will be up very soon. So thank you for your patience. I just looked on how many days it took me to start making episodes again after I uploaded my last update. And yeah, it's been 8 days. So it's taken me a whole nother week to record again, which I didn't think it was that long. I thought it was like maybe like, you know, 2, 3 days, but no, it's been 8. So it's not great, but yeah. More episodes coming soon. Thank you all for your patience. Yeah, all right. Enjoy this episode that I recorded a few weeks ago.
And welcome back, everybody, to another Pokemon Mega Dimensions DLC Legends ZA, yeah, whatever the crap it is. Um, yeah, welcome back. We're back, you know. Um, as you all can see, I have not recorded in at least a week now. I've been kind of busy in between work and Christmas shopping and stuff like that. I did a huge video dump like the other day. Um, but I have been playing. Um, I did get all our survey points and more of the Pokedex completed. You can see now it's like 80. We have more Pokemon. We got my ticket done. I'm so happy about ticket done being back. Um, but yeah, we got more of the Pokedex done. Got some more shiny Pokemon. Yada yada yada. I've just been busy, so um, yeah. And obviously you can see that my team has been updated. We now have Pepper, the Skull villain, because yeah, we had to get rid of some people. I said in the last few episodes that Fry would be joining our team until we found something better, and luckily Pepper has their Mega Stone now, so that's gonna replace Fry. Um, this is this is Ruby. She's replacing the Toxel and also my Mega Raichu X, which I love Mega Raichu X so goddamn much. It's so perfect. Um, and just a quick update on the team. We got Chimega's Mega Stone, or Ella's Mega Stone, so now she can Mega Evolve, which is yay perfect. And Jet is the only boy on the team, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, we got Miku, but cue the sad music. Guys, hold on, I need to look at you. Guys, I have found out some unfortunate information from the internet. Um, we shit. Miku does not get her Mega Stone until we complete the game. Or at least the main story of the game. So sadly, I'm gonna have to box Miku. Which really sucks, because I really wanted to bring him through this entire series, but you don't have a new Mega Stone, and even though I love your Mega already, we're kind of exploring the new Megas, so it's just, yeah. So sorry, but there is a fighting type that I can replace with it. That's right. Welcome, Yeti, the Crab Abominable. As you've seen in last episodes, bye bye Miku. This thing can Mega Evolve. And where we now have like level 70 Nodents, I went back and I got the Crumbubble. So, this will be replacing Miku. I'm so happy about this information. Hold on. I'm so happy about this information. Anyway, sarcasm over. Yeah. So in the last episode, we got more survey tasks. So now we're doing a new Rogue Mega Evolution, and yeah. Also, if you're worrying about our sixth member of our team, don't worry. That will hopefully be coming soon. Hopefully. I know who I want to have on the team. I just don't know when they're gonna be on the team. Also, this is why I didn't do my intro here. Fuck off! You're not even relevant to the game anymore. Okay, here we are. Alright. Hi, Karina. Yep. There's another Rogue Mega Evolution. I'm going in now. We should probably do our 48 or 74 donut. We're almost at the level 100 donuts. I do have level 70 donuts now, so I don't know what to expect here. If I'm gonna be honest, have no idea. Have no idea what to expect here. So yeah, we're just gonna sit back, hope for the best. Oh shit, we're fighting. Guys, what the fuck? We're fighting a legendary? I mean, I knew this thing had a mega, but I didn't think we were gonna, like, fight it during the story. Oh shoot, are we fighting legendaries now? Shit, man. I mean, Heatran's cool. I like Heatran. I do like Heatran. What the crap am I gonna do against this? I just got rid of Miku. This thing is like super susceptible to ground. You know what? Alright, guys. Miku's definitely off the team. Miku is definitely off the team. Anyway, we're gonna continue. Okay, let's do it. Also, just for the record, I will state this out loud. Miku is definitely going to be off the team. Just not, like, right now. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm a huge fan of Heatran, and they just messed up the boys so much. This thing's still a fire steel type? Or was this ever a fire steel type? I'm not entirely sure. Oh, well, it's definitely fire. I think we confirmed that much. Get some bits and bobs. Alright, Crabominable, you seem to be doing well for someone who's susceptibly weak to fire. Alright, this is a cool mega. I gotta say it. It's a cool mega. I wish I had an alpha one, but... Also, that's the thing that sucks about most of the legendaries getting new megas, is that they're not gonna. I'm not gonna be able to alpha shiny hunt them. I probably will. Oh jeez. Oh shit. Oh shit. No crap! No! No! What the fuck? What the crap was that? Wait. Yeah, let's progress. I want to keep previous progress. What the fuck was that? Okay, come on, Miku. Oh my god, Miku, that was bad. Oh, I do like this. He's like melting in the back. Alright, that's a cool feature. Alright, Miku, I'm gonna have to run here for a second. Alright, Miku. Do your shit. Oh, okay. Oh shit, 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 shit. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck was that? Do something, Crabominable. Oh my god. What the crap? 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 Alright. We're reviving Miku. Miku, we could seriously use some support here. Ah! Yo, who said we're gonna make Mega Heatran and then make it a level 180 Pond? I wanna know. Oh, thank God. Woo! Woo! I'm definitely gonna have to get Heatran Mega shiny. I'm gonna have to get all these guys shiny. Oh, it's gonna suck. It's uphill grind. I never wanted to get legendary shiny, but I literally said I was gonna get like all the shiny Mega Pokemon. Well, shiny Alpha Mega Pokemon, but you know, most of the legendaries can't be Alpha. So I don't know. Has anyone checked on that? Heatranite. That's cool. I do like how he's melted in the back. I do like that Mega. But yeah. Okay. Fighting Heatran. Oh. Our infinite quest for butter. Alright. We're gonna make our new main break it. Oh, our new main. Doesn't everybody love Crabominable? I can't wait to get the last Mega on our team. I severely can't wait to get all the last Mega on our team because that's just gonna be my main. To be honest, I know the last mega that I want on my team. It's just I need to be able to have access to it. Hyperspace, but oh, this must be the last butter then. If it's hyperspace, it's gotta be the last butter. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And 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 do it. We got hyperspace butter from Heatran. Heatran is good at making butter. Wait, I had my fan on this whole time. You guys even hear me? Yeah, that's probably better audio quality. God damn, we fought Heatran. Oh, he put. Oh, Urbane. Oh no, Urbane. Oh, people are gonna make this now. It's donut curry. Okay, why are we torturing fucking Naveen with this? Like no one else on the table has this. It's just Naveen. We're just torturing Naveen. Just torture Naveen. Torture Naveen. Look how that's smiling. What is this? You having a moment there, Naveen? What? World's family. Damn. I like how they're just talking about donuts. Hey guys, like listen. I'm sorry. It baffles me that they're just sitting here talking about donuts like the world isn't in danger. Like, yeah, sure, I get that we have to have some leisure time, but like, guys, there's a giant portal. Mega! Lydia? There's a room 204? Oh. So, I never noticed there was another room. Alright, let's go. Saw you, saw you. Oh yeah, I love breaking into all our friends. What? Is he trying? Oh, you know, I know it's probably Darkrai because he infiltrates our dreams and stuff. And I've seen the Mega Evolution. But this is so funny that it's just like, oh yeah, he's probably trying to recruit Staryu. Since it's like an alien. What? Huh? No, 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 no. Back. Explain that. Do you guys see that? Starmie turned like sideways for a second there, and then was like, "Oh yeah, it's just normal." All right, cool. It's a little bit weird. Oh, now it's infiltrating my dream. Now is it? Stay away. It's infiltrating my dreams. Stop. Oh, we're in it now. We're in it now. Hurt. In hyperspace. It hurts. Help. Oh, okay. Battle zone's deactivated. The next day, your alarm is going off. Do we gotta jump through the big portal? I think we do. I think we do. Oh, I think everybody had the same dream. Yeah, maybe. Oh, there's Kubo! Hey, Kubo! Okay, we got mission 11. Wait, weren't we just on mission 9? How does that make any sense? Whatever. Whatever. It was probably just the, well, we got the next day. I don't think it's gonna let me go into any hyperspace holes, but we will check around for anything new. Anything new? Ooh. We got level 170 portals now. So that's nice. That's nice. Side mission. I mean, it doesn't seem like anything new. It kind of sucks. That's kind of what I gotta do off camera, so I was hoping for something new. But it just looked like a whole bunch of battle zone. But, it's whatever. Also, I did complete some side missions. Well, obviously I completed some side missions. So side missions require you to get the Mega Stones. And I've gotten a few of them. So, yeah, that's probably fighting Kerbo or whatever the crap. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. What? We went in the elevator. Huh? Yeah, we just went in the elevator. What's going on? Yeah, we all went to hyperspace. Okay, let's go find Cabot. Seeing as we don't really have a level. Well, this is the weirdest meetup in the world. But, huh. Alright. This is very weird. I don't like this. Hey, there's Urbane. What up, Urbane? I have a feeling that... Oh, hey, look, it's Ivor! Hey, buddy! All our favorite people! Hey, Tarragon! What up, Tarragon? Are we supposed to go up here? I have no idea where to go. Also, what level are my mons? Oh, they're stuck at level 100. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. We'll climb up this scaffolding. Oh, hey, there's Grisham! Grisham! What up? Oh, hey, there's a little kid that we fought. Hey! Oh, hey, kid. Oh, you heard some grown-ups over here. Oh, hey, there they are. Hey, what up, peeps? What up, peepos? I'm pretty sure I'm looking for ya. Oh? Hey! The rescue team are on. Yeah. That's not good. Yeah, we might not. That's not happening. We all have loved ones on the other side. Imagine anybody coming to Lumios is now going to be transferred into hyperspace Lumios. Oh, what was that? Oh, what is this? Are we being transported out? Oh, oh. Did we just get transported out? I love how he's standing on his desk. That's the funniest shit in the world. We just got teleported out. Just one Pokemon? Lumiose is being created by just one Pokemon. It's on a rampage. Overwhelmingly dangerous activity. Detected. Yeah, what's up? Hmm. So once we stop the Pokemon that's rampaging. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, yeah. Alright. Alright. Even better donuts. The power of Mega Evolution. Yeah. That's how we stop the shit. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Well, we gotta do more research to ask. Hooray. Hooray, right, Crabominable? Oh, this is how I have to end every of my episodes now until I get the new Pokemon? Oh. Anyway. This is where I'm gonna have to end for now because we gotta get 500 of those. Or 5,000, I think it was. I gotta get 5,000 of those. No way, Jose. Am I sticking around to do all that on camera? But once I do, yeah, we'll be back with more. So thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!